Microwaves are a person's best friend.
Here, I'm so super excited. My new white iPhone 4S just came delivered from FedEx. Wow, this is going to be great. I'm going to microwave it for your viewing pleasure right out of the factory box. I just can't wait. This is going to be so exciting. Ooh. Ooh, look at how beautiful it is. Everybody's just waiting in line for one of these. Let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic. In fact, I have a brand new microwave that I also got to take out of the plastic. Ooh, look at that. It's Kenmore stainless steel. It's a mind-boggling 2.2 cubic feet in size. It's 1,200 watts of super incredible power inside my giant Malik 11,000 5-ton microwaving robot. Just remember, unless you're a professional microwave operator, do not attempt to microwave your brand new iPhone 4S. You need at least 30 years of qualified professional microwaving experience. Ooh, that's so gorgeous. Wow, that's great. I'll have a GPS fix while it's being microwaved. Yay! Now, I'm going to click on YouTube. Let's see what we have here. Oh, those bring back good memories. That's when I microwaved an iPad. You'll get to enjoy watching it while it's being microwaved. Wow, that's the hottest iPhone I've ever seen on the market.
That means he's gonna need to go ahead and use the hydrosonic boom blaster to boom blast the iPhone. He's gonna have to boom blast it again! He will now go ahead and use the precision spatula to remove the post product from the central airtight microwaving chamber down in the ejectomatic examination bay for further examination. And wow, it looks better than when it was brand new. It looks newer than new. Wow, look at how incredibly intricate the insides are.
Ooh, ribbony. Looks so festive.
That means he approves the results and thanks you for enjoying and watching Duftastic Microwave Theater.
It's a skull phone. A skull phone. A blippity bippity nippity doo. It's the skull phone. The skull phone. The world's greatest implanted phone in your skull. It's the skull phone. Woo, 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 woo. The skull phone is a must-have. You gotta have the skull phone. Oh. It's the hottest thing since the iPhone. Whoa, 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 whoa.